Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids. So, on the board now we have exercise 2 for topic 2 is the aromatic compound. And what does this exercise 2 says? Benzene react with the nitrating mixture to form nitrobenzene. Outline the mechanism. What is, first of all, a nitrating mixture? The nitrating mixture consists of two acids. The acid you have concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated each acid. The temperature is from 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. So, enter the equation for the reaction, please. What benzene? Nitrating mixture concentrated sulfuric acid was concentrated into acids 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. Nitrobenzene. In this case, we are converting from benzene to nitrobenzene. Okay, we have to write the equation. First of all, is the formation of electrophile. The reaction is an electrophilic substitution reaction. So how to form the electrophile possible? Here's how the electrophile is called. Sulfuric acid plus nitric acid given Na2 plus HN4 minus plus hydrogen ion. The electrophile is before. The next step now is align the mechanism. So I don't think this side is enough to align the mechanism, so we have to wipe the butt. Align the mechanism. So once we the ball of then write back the first equation, and that led to the formation of the electrophile. We want sulfuric acids plus nitric acids given Na2 plus H4 minus plus hydrogen ion. We have benzene that attacks the electrophile Na plus to form you have an intermediate, so in hydrogen NO2. So here we have HSO4 minus, it collects hydrogen, the ring is being sterilized so that H plus H gives H2 SO4 plus we have my nitrobenzene because this bond came on inside benzene to complete the ring. So now you have nitrobenzene and so in the table about landing mechanism, the reaction is electrophilic addition, the mechanism is electrophilic substitution. Sorry, we have the benzene ring which is in need of electron. The benzene ring is electron rich. It has the magnetic affinity towards electrophile. So the rich benzene ring attacks the Na2 plus, leading to an intermediate, an organic intermediate. So in the cause forming an organic intermediate, we have HSO4 minus that take this hydrogen H plus, this H minus take this hydrogen. So this negative sign enters in the benzene ring to neutralize the benzene ring so that the plus and minus cancel. Now we have industrial compound so that H must be the H2SO4, the whole natural is. So thank you for watching. We're going to go to exercise 3.
you.